All right, building in Florida again. Mighty house. Just a shot of the cement pond. Gotta have a cement pond, you know. All right. What we got in here? Plumbing. Standard shower valves. Alpex. Right? Uponor, the brand. Obviously, blue cold, red hot. You'd think it'd be that easy. PVC, Schedule 40 underground. Nothing unusual there. Not much different. One thing they do down here that I don't understand why, but they depress all the shower bases 4 inches in the slab. So if you're in a walker or a wheelchair, it's kind of tough. I really don't know why they don't do more zero barrier. That's why I try to do them. So just use normal stub up, but here's where the fun part happens. See, no red. So I don't know. Hopefully they're not both cold lines, but they'll help figure it out, right? Hot should be on the left. We'll see. Find out when we trim. All right. Oh, not much more plumbing out here. No plumbing out here. Drywall scrapping. A little more electrical for you. Laundry room. So we got a laundry sink going in there. We got our air chambers, washer box. So that's all trapped. Well, that's kind of normal. Dryer vent going out. Pretty normal. All right, let's try to get some HVAC from another room when we come back.